Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about else if ladder in C++ programming. The else if ladder is also used for decision making, and the syntax is: first we have the if keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the condition, and then we have one block of code, and right after the if block we have the else if block, which has its own condition and its own block of code. And this way we can have multiple else if block in the else if ladder, and at the end we have the else keyword followed by one block of code. So in else if ladder all the conditions will be checked one after another, and whenever one condition becomes true, then the corresponding block of code will be executed and the control will go out of the entire else if ladder. But if none of the conditions become true, then the code we write inside the else block will be executed. So in this example program, we have one integer variable number which has been assigned with the value 0, and then we have the else if ladder. So first we have the if keyword followed by one condition: if number is greater than 0, then it will print number is positive. And then we have the else if keyword followed by one condition: if number is less than 0, then it will print the string number is negative. And then at the end we have the else block. So whenever none of the conditions are met, then the code inside the else block will be executed and it will print number is 0 onto the console. So now I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program. And you can see the output, it has printed number is 0 onto the console. So first of all we have initialized the value of the number variable with the value 0, and then we have the else if ladder, and in one else if ladder the conditions are checked from top to bottom. So first of all the if block condition will be checked, and because the if block condition is false, number is not greater than 0, so the else if condition will be checked, and because the else if condition is also false, number is not less than 0. So because both of the conditions are false, so the code inside the else block will be executed, and that's how it has printed the string number is 0 onto the console. So this is the way we can use the else if ladder, where the conditions are checked from top to bottom one after another, and when none of the conditions are met, then the code inside the else block will be executed. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.